Welcome back to my channel. My name is Marie. So as you can see, my nails are already covered with Color Straight nail strips because I'm going to use this from the new spring collection, Prima Drama. And what I want to do is one hand I'm going to apply it like it is, but on the other hand I'm going to use a white gel pen. If this gel pen is too fine, I do have some acrylic pen in white here, medium, because I'm going to color, well, let me just show you. And I wanted to put it, I'm going to color the ones going on my right hand and putting them as they are on the left, just so you can get an idea of what they'll look like if you do use the if you do use the gel pen, sorry, because I have been told that it helps it pop if we color the back side. So the sticky side is the side we're gonna paint with the pen. So normally we peel that off first, but in this case we're gonna peel it off of the backing first. Oh, I would need to use that. And actually it's gonna go as it, I shouldn't have peeled this one off since I'm not coloring this one. I am using the smallest pinky strip. It doesn't usually fit. I mean, I can stretch it, but I don't know if it's gonna distort it. But I took out two, one for each pinky. So here is it without coloring on the back side. Excuse me. Over this on my pinkies is Hint of Mint. Okay, so now on this one, and I'm using the wider side, so we won't remove this protective. We're going to remove the backing here, and then I'm going to see if this pen, and you want to just color only what's on there. I don't know if yes, I think I can tell that it's coloring it. I'll show you after I get it all colored in. And you just want to do it where there's color. So it's just like if you were to put a white background on. So here's what it looks like after coloring it in. Let's see if it needs, no, it looks pretty colored in there. Let's see how it will look on the Hint of Mint. I can see that it's, you know, brighter. I'm stretching it just a smidge. So I think it does show a little more. So this is the one that I just colored the background on. It does make it pop a little. You can see that. Yeah. Okay. Next, we've got a jelly pink lemonade on the ring fingers. So let's see. I gotta turn them this way to know which ones I usually use. This one I will do here. I think I can use both strips. Let's see. Trying to decide because if I take that off, okay, let's try it this way. So, won't color this side, I will color this side. Just where there's color. Gonna cover it with white. Okay, so let me stick it. I'm gonna pull that off, and I'm going to do this side first, since I just don't want to. I am so sorry. I don't want to put it on the backing in case like it's not dry. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how pretty that is. It's just gorgeous. Okay, so this side, I think it will go on. I mean, I think it's putting it on pink lemonade. I mean, on lighter colors, it's obviously going to still show whether it's got the white jelly or gel pen on it or not. So there it is. I still see it pop. You can see that. It's kind of made it a lighter green, it looks like. Still pretty. Okay, next, the middles are this size. I think I will just go ahead for the middles and use the smaller thumb for them. Excuse me. For the middle fingers, since, oh yeah, I don't think I can use one strip for 2 nails, so see which side. And this is Lux Lemon on the middle fingers. See, I like that one. Oh, I wasn't supposed to take the backing off, or the protective part off. Because now it's harder to control this. Okay. I don't think it'll go that far up. Okay. And just color this all in. If you don't use a gel pen, I would recommend using the water soluble. If you get the acrylic paint pen, I wouldn't use the oil ones, oil based, because, you know, Color Street, you don't want oil. Oh, this goes on this hand. Oh yeah, look at that. How pretty is that on there? Oh my goodness. I am so sorry. Well, unbelievable. I had kept checking to make sure it was still recording. And then I just got so into it that I didn't notice that it stopped filming right here. So here's Cocoa Craving, gel pen, no gel pen, no gel pen, gel pen. I can't, this was such an important video to get them all done. Then this is J'adore Glamour, no gel pen and gel pen. Look at the pop on that. So good. So good. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'm so bummed out. I don't know what happened with my camera. But I'll post the nail fees on here. And thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Ciao.